I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Toyota CHR key fob. You're going to need one 2032 battery. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description that will take you straight there. I'm also going to be using a small flat blade screwdriver. First order of business is to remove this mechanical key. You do that by sliding this latch over this way and pulling this mechanical key out. Next, take your mechanical key, insert it in this slot right here. You can see it's like in the middle. Give that a twist, and you have access to your circuit board. Go ahead and remove that. I'm going to put it on this side. And this is where I'll use my screwdriver. Just put it right here. Give that a gentle pry. Take out your dead battery. Your new battery goes in positive side facing outward. And then you want to give this a good squeeze back together. Make sure you got your red light there. You're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.